Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be interacting with the startups and addressing the summit tomorrow via video conferencing. The summit is being organized by the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The two-day summit is being organized as a follow-up of the announcement made by Prime Minister at the 4th BIMSTEC summit held, remember, earlier in Kathmandu in August 2018, wherein India showed its commitment to host the BIMSTEC Startup Conclave. The summit marks the 5th anniversary of Startup India initiative launched by Prime Minister on 16th of January 2016. And with participation from over 25 countries and more than 200 global speakers, the summit will be the largest startup confluence organized by the Government of India since the launch of the Startup India initiative. It will witness 24 sessions with focus on enhancing multilateral cooperation and engagement with countries from around the globe to collectively develop and strengthen the startup ecosystem. And Prime Minister is going to interact with the startups and address the summit tomorrow via video conferencing. And this marks the 5th anniversary of the entire startup initiative that was launched in 2016. Remember the startup, this event, which is one of its kinds. In fact, the mega one, the largest one across the globe, launched by India, is looking at attracting a lot of FDI and also at the same time promoting domestic startup ecosystem. My colleague Meghna is going to join us live in a bit, but this startup mega event that's going to be addressed by the Prime Minister today was technically launched today, and Union Minister Piyush Goyal extensively spoke about the basic vision behind it, how it's going to play a greater role in terms of consolidating the startup ecosystem, not domestically, but how the world continues to look at India as the massive startup capital of the world, and also as we're being looked up as an innovative capital of the world and now startup capital of the world. In fact, this event is going to have a global participation. Around 25 countries, representatives from 25 countries are going to be part of the summit. They're going to put forth the best of the startup initiatives. Meghna, I'm being told, is ready with me to tell us more about it. Meghna, to put it this way, it's a huge leap forward for us, because our Prime Minister launched Startup Initiative 5 years ago and now it's become so global. Tell us more about the significance and the kind of, the participation it is attracting around the globe, attracting FDI, attracting, domestic investors, also boosting up their confidence. This is really big in terms of consolidating the entire startup ecosystem in the country. A new beginning, rather.
Absolutely, Sakal. Absolutely, Sakal. 5 years is definitely a nascent stage for any big beginning, but definitely 5 years has been a glorious journey. I'll directly take you for all the answers on the ecosystem flourish and also on the amalgamation or bringing together of different incubators, entrepreneurs, startup entrepreneurs, and also academicians who have joined in for this summit. I'll directly take you to the Joint Secretary of DPIIT, Anil Agrawal. Sir, a very important summit indeed, and what are the several sessions planned, and several speakers have also been lined up. It's going to be a phenomenal 2 days of experience.
Thank you very much. So when we planned this summit, the Prarambh Startup India International Summit, we have tried to encapsulate everything that different components of the startup ecosystem need. For example, for policymakers, Government of India, state governments, or other BIMSTEC countries, everybody wants to learn on how they can support startups. So there are lots of sessions on how policymakers can improve upon their policies, support to startup ecosystems. Then we have sessions on startups, how they can develop idea into a proof of concept, how they can access markets, how they can expand internationally, and what Government of India is doing for assisting them for accessing global markets. We have sessions for incubators on how you improve incubators, what are the good practices. We have sessions on global best practices where experts from some of the best ecosystems around the world are going to be speaking about how they have created beautiful ecosystems for startups where innovation is thriving. So we have tried to create a 360-degree canvas for the entire ecosystem. We have
talk about the numbers. Sakal, this is very essential that in the past 5 years, about 41,000 startups have registered and across 580 districts in India. How big this number is and how is it sprinting ahead, accelerating ahead?
See, this has been done in the last 5 years. Honorable Prime Minister, when he launched the Startup India initiative, he said we must have a startup in each block of this country. Over the last 5 years, we've reached 80% of our districts. We have a lot of distance to cover. Now, what we are trying to do is not only penetrate the spirit of entrepreneurship within the country, but also give support to our entrepreneurs to access global markets. Because the kind of innovation that is thriving not just in metros, but even in non-metro cities is exceptional, and many of them have the potential to cater to global markets.
So, and also, sir, the number of speakers who have been lined up, we also have the principal scientific advisor. We also have a very important session on women entrepreneurs. So how do you think, especially for the BIMSTEC region, how essential is it to share best practices and also from the investment point of view, because definitely investment is something that the startups thrive upon and how the incubation is carried on?
Yes. So as you mentioned, we've tried to see that from the Government of India, all the senior government policymakers who have contributed or who have the potential to contribute to the startup ecosystem are participating in various sessions in this conference. As far as women entrepreneurship is concerned, if you look at, we have devoted 2 sessions specially for women entrepreneurship. One specially for the BIMSTEC countries and the one which has a broader canvas for global markets. We also have a star session which is there in the evening today, 7:30 to 9:30. There also we have a star, woman entrepreneur speaking about her own journey and how do you start again after failing. It's about, and entrepreneurship is not just about succeeding. It's about failing and then succeeding.
All right.
It is about perseverance. It is not about giving up. So that is the spirit that is coming out.
Definitely. So Sakal, definitely it's going to be a very long 2 days, but definitely a very important perspective to the startup ecosystem that will be given in the entire 2 days on the several sessions which have been planned.
Yes, we're looking at more convergences, collaborations. This is getting more global, something that was started by India in 2016. Meghna, on our behalf, please also thank Mr. Agarwal, Joint Secretary DIPT, for talking exclusively to us on this initiative. Thank you so much, both of you.